So what's it like working as a machine operator in a high-tech manufacturing environment with amazing coworkers, making medical products that make a difference in the lives of people who rely on them? Let's see what it's like working at Hollister. Every day starts with a team meeting to review the previous shift and make sure everyone knows the goals for the day ahead. We all have a specific job. Working independently is key, but our tasks come together to create the final product. So working as a team and communicating with each other is important. As a machine operator, you'll learn how to operate different machines. Thankfully, the training is great, with proven plans that get you up to speed. You'll learn how to gather the raw materials, program and run the production line, troubleshoot problems, and help produce our world-class products. It's not the most physically demanding job, but it does require some physical effort. Our manufacturing sites typically run 24/7, including nights and weekends, and shifts are 8 or 12 hours. This provides opportunities to organize your work life outside the normal 9 to 5 hours, something many of our associates appreciate. We're busy all day, so comfortable and appropriate shoes are a must. Basic computer and standard measuring skills are also necessary. Our manufacturing process requires significant cleanliness. Some products are made in a clean room. This requires special PPE. But a fully air-conditioned building helps keep you cool and comfortable. At Hollister, you'll help produce medical products for people who have a difficult life journey ahead of them and rely on our products every day to make it easier. End users of our products tell us they rely on us, and that gives all of us pride in the work we do.